What's good? It's your boy GSECAPONE. Smash that like and subscribe button, man. Shout out to IDN TV for this one, man. Young Thug and Gunna speak in slime language for the first time in court. About to smash this play button, bring stuff on the mini player, see what the hell is going on here. I want to see what they talking about. Fuck they slime language is. I want to hear these funny motherfuckers. These niggas funny. Talking like that in front of the judge. Let's see.
Now, both Gunna and Young Thug have court today, August 18, 2022, in which it was a motion hearing. Now, in this hearing, both Gunna and Young Thug waived their concerns regarding potential conflict of interest with their defense attorneys. Now, for the first time since May of 2022, that's 3 months and some change, Gunna and Young Thug haven't had any type of person-to-person communication.
That boy Gunna look smart as hell in there, boy.
Today in court, they got a chance to talk to each other during break.
He was out looking
now, in
the
the audio,
retarded.
you can hear Young Thug calling out Gunna.
Crazy.
He's
Now
calling
he,
Gunna
he
wanna,
looking smart.
and he's asking him, was he good? And then he actually noticed on the zoom camera or whatever type of camera they're using that Gunna lost a lot of weight. Gunna acknowledged Young Thug, said, yeah, I'm 199 now, in which they both laughed. Then Young Thug asked if he's seen Yak Gotti. Was having a good little conversation. This is when Gunna's lawyer spoke up and told them that
he 199 now. 199. When I hear that number, I hear 616. 199, 919. As above, so below. 616. Gematria. 616 equals the. Well, 616 is the real 666. That's what it's saying, Gematria. Hey, man, look, man. So, smash this play button, let it finish.
They're recorded, and for Gunna not to speak at all. Now, first time seeing Gunna in a few months, and it looks like he definitely lost some weight, and he's looking a lot healthier. Definitely because he's probably off of the designer drugs and things like that. But check out this little audio.
Hey, Juan. Good.
That works.
Good. Yeah, I lost a little bit of that, Anna. 199. Yeah.
Sergio, your audio still is on, by the way.
Alright.
His name is Sergio, for real.
And Jeffrey, I don't believe you're muted either.
Sergio and Jeffrey.
You're not muted. Got it. You did. You see, you got it one. Damn. Oh, damn.
Don't talk. Don't even talk to each other. Sergio, not you. Don't say anything.
Now, first up was Gunna, known to the government as Sergio Kitchens. Now, his legal team had concerns about the discovery and who had access to it. Now, according to Gunna's legal team, they're saying that a lot of files are being left out of the discovery and they want access to it. Now, like I said before, the discovery is all of the paperwork, evidence, who's telling, video evidence, all type of things, and they want all of the access to it. Now, Gunna's lawyer says that the witness paperwork hasn't been
that boy
provided.
looks
Now,
sad
she's
as
talking about
hell,
the
boy.
witness, the lady nurse that allegedly, supposedly, was the one that tried to smuggle in drugs for Gunna. And now, as far as Gunna, that was pretty much it. Now, one thing I noticed during the motion today, both Gunna and Young Thug showed straight respect. When I say straight respect, I mean yes sir, no sir. It's mind-boggling how these guys were at the top of the rap community, cocky to a sense, you know, abide by no laws. Now, it seems like the energy just shifted, and now they're speaking to the judge with the ultimate respect. I noticed that, and I want a lot of people to, you know, peep how they're answering these questions to the judge.
All right, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, can I get you to raise your right hand for me, please? You solemnly swear or affirm the evidence you'll give in the case now and here and speak the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so have you guys so affirm. One more time? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Okay, Mr. Kitchens, I am holding a document which is entitled Conflict Waiver. Okay, I just want to go through that with you briefly, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. This year, 2022?
Yes.
All right. I'm just going to go through it with you right quick, okay? It references on this particular date, and you are Jeffrey Williams, who's born on August the 16th, 1991, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, it says you've consulted with attorney Keith Adams on the matters contained therein, and you state basically as the following, okay? That you are the same Jeffrey Williams charged in indictment 22 SC 18227.
Also notice that they're saying that a YSL member has been placed on protective custody
That goofy
because
head
he's
ass
willing
nigga.
to testify against the gang. Now, like I said in the video
Like,
before, I'm not saying
it's
this
crazy.
person's name, but if
Man,
you do your
fuck that
research,
nigga. I
you
know
can
his
probably
name. I
find out
forgot
who.
that nigga name. But yo, this nigga wild as hell, bro. Like, how the hell niggas go slide for this nigga? Hey, bro, he do the dumb shit, and niggas go have his nigga back, and then he go tell on everybody. Nigga, how you gonna go tell on everybody that you, bro? Niggas is sliding for you. You get yourself into some shit, then go back to thugging them. Then thugging them have your back and then go do some shit. Then you go tell on them. Nigga, you should have just told on the other niggas from the beginning, unless your ass was set up to do. I mean, you was here to do this shit anyway. You was a plant. To get both parties involved. Because if that's the case, you could have just told on what's the name and left Thug alone. Just walked away from Thug and shit. Like, look, man, I done snitched, I know you. And then, like, I ain't snitch on you, though, but you snitched on the niggas that was gonna go murder for you, that murder for you and shit. Like, that shit don't make no sense, man. Unless you's a plant. It's the only type of sense it can make for me. I mean, you get what I'm saying.
The guy is. Now, next up was Young Thug. Now, his lawyer actually got into a debate with the judge, what made me scratch my head. So this is what happened. The prosecutor, people that are against Young Thug, they made it that Young Thug shouldn't get any bail at all. Now, the prosecutor said this. He says Young Thug lied about his sister being his significant other during a phone call. And he also mentioned how Young Thug is saying that his lyrics was not written by him, that was actually written by someone else. Now, the prosecutor says he actually looked up the lyrics on Apple Music and iTunes, and it says the song was written by Jeffrey Williams, specifically the song Slime Shit. And they also said that the weapons that were found in Young Thug's house were stolen. Young Thug is arguing, and his team is arguing, that he did not know the weapons were stolen. Now, the prosecutor also called Young Thug a street general. Now, he was saying if Young Thug was actually released, that things would get very dangerous for certain people outside of the courthouse and outside of the jail. Now, after the prosecutor left the stand, this is when Young Thug's legal team made their arguments on why Young Thug should get that bond. Now, his lawyer is saying that Young Thug is pretty much just rapping about what he's seen growing up in an underprivileged area in Atlanta. Now, the lawyer says lyrics shouldn't be used against Young Thug. He says lyrics doesn't get used in court when it comes to rock and roll, country music, or actors on the big screen. He says that Young Thug knows his life is in jeopardy, and if he was to get bond, he will be on his best behavior. His lawyer is calling Young Thug a genius, and he knows right from wrong. The lawyer also says that he will visit Young Thug every day to make sure that he is doing exactly what he's supposed to do. While the lawyer is talking, you can see Young Thug on the Zoom camera, and he has his hands together as he's praying or kind of pleading for the judge to see, his sincerity and things like that. But this $1 million lawyer is working hard, to say the least. Now, after the prosecutor and the legal team said their arguments, it was time for the judge to make his decision. Now, the judge said because of the new indictment that was recently coming up with a new addition of 6 charges to Young Thug, the judge says he has to deny his bond for the 3rd time. Looking like Young Thug Jeffrey Williams will have to sit in the Cobb County Jail until the RICO trial starts in 2023 of January. Now, in my honest opinion, I feel like they ready to fry Young Thug and the whole team. And they really feel like Young Thug and his entourage are a danger to the Atlanta community and really a danger to the world.
Because they
Now,
got
this
old
makes
boy
me think,
fucking
if they
writing,
keep
man.
denying his
Talking all the
bond,
bullshit.
they're definitely going to try to
crazy.
fry him when it comes to the sentencing and things like that, because it doesn't make sense why they keep denying him denying him. People are looking up to put up property. Label owners are looking up to put millions of dollars out, and they're still denying it. So they're definitely afraid of Young Thug, like they're saying. They're saying he's a street general, and they're standing by it. So that's all I have for you guys in court today. Make sure you like the video, so if anything comes out, anything pops up, it'll come straight to you. You got to do it by liking the video and subscribing. I'll catch you in the next video.
Man, like that, smash that like and subscribe button, man. But yeah, man, look, bro, niggas ain't scared of his ass, man. These niggas is the gang, bro. Talking about they scared, man. I like crazy shit up, man. But yeah, shout out to bro IDN TV for this one, man. Smash that like and subscribe button, man. I'm out, gang gang. Tell me what the hell y'all think about this shit in the comments. Tell me what y'all think about this in the comments. I'm all fucking up and shit. Hey, this whatever though.